Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will guide you how you can install MovieBox Pro on your smart TV. So in order to install MovieBox Pro on your smart TV, you will need the downloader app. For the making this process straightforward. So first of all, to install MovieBox Pro on your smart TV, first install the downloader app from the Google Play Store on your Android TV. Once you install the app, just access the device preferences through the settings icon on the home screen. You just follow my instructions. The third step is under device preferences, select security restrictions. When you select security restrictions, enable unknown sources and give the downloader app permission to install unknown apps. The fifth step is launch the downloader app and allow any prompts. Then enter the APK link for MovieBox Pro dedicated to Android TV and install it. Once you install MovieBox Pro on smart TV, open the app and sign in with your email to enjoy MovieBox Pro content on your TV. Thank you for watching.